kana kuti aiwa. Amen. Pachipamwe, welcome to today's lesson. The basic way to say yes is ehe, and the basic way to say no is aiwa. Lesson done. If only it was always that simple. Let me give you some more examples so that you understand how to say yes and no in Chishona. To say yes, most people will say ehe or hongu. Both of these mean yes and are used interchangeably. Hongu is slightly more polite. Some people might also say ehunde, which sounds a little more old-fashioned and super formal depending on the situation. To say no, we have a number of ways to say that. A simple no can be aiwa, or kwete, or bodo. Again, these can be used interchangeably. Somebody asks, uri kuenda kuchikoro? Are you going to school? And you want to say, yes, I am going to school. You would answer, ndiri kuenda kuchikoro. Or, hongu, ndiri kuenda kuchikoro. If you are not going to school, on the other hand, you might answer, aiwa, handisi kuenda kuchikoro. Or, kwete, handisi kuenda kuchikoro. Or, bodo, handisi kuenda kuchikoro. To emphasize sometimes, if you want to say, yes, 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 that's right, a person might say, ndizo. Ndizo meaning, that's right, that's correct. So sometimes, instead of saying yes, a person can answer ndizo, meaning, that is correct, that is right. A person might also answer, handizo, or hazvisirizo, meaning, that's not right, that's not correct, or no. For instance, I might ask, is this answer correct? Mindiro iyi, ndiyo chaiyo here. And you might answer, no, that's not correct. Aiwa, hazvisirizo, handizo. Sometimes, instead of saying ehe, people might say e. E would also mean yes, but it can also be an exclamation of acknowledgement. So if somebody is speaking to you in a dialogue and they keep answering back it might mean okay. Depending on context, you'll be able to understand if they're really saying yes or just acknowledging your statement. Here's a little dialogue to get you going. Unofarira sadza? Ndinofarira sadza. Ko muriwo? Aiwa, handifariri muriwo. Haufariri muriwo? Handifariri muriwo. Ko nyama? Ndinofarira nyama. Mira ndikuisire muriwo. Bodo. Musandiisire muriwo. As you can see here, even though there was a negative question, you don't like vegetables, the answer would be, yes, I don't like vegetables, because yes, I am agreeing that I don't like vegetables. It wouldn't be, no, I don't like vegetables, like in English. So now that you know a few ways to say yes and no, or to agree and disagree with a question or statement, go out there and practice. Hongu, or aiwa, kwete, bodo. Ciao, tonana.